Alrighty, this is my Yanmar YM2000, and I built a loader for it. I looked all over the internet on information or somebody that's built one, and the information is kind of hard to come by. So I thought I would make a video of this and post it, and maybe it'll help somebody else. Where to start? Well, we'll start where I started. I fastened the this cross member here. I'll go underneath, and there's 2 bolts going through the tubing. I welded a piece of pipe inside so that it wouldn't crush the tubing. Then welded a piece of angle to it, to the other 2 bolts. There's 4 threaded holes in the bottom of this Yanmar. I come off of the tubing up to the bell housing bolts with a piece of 1-inch pipe. Just a piece of angle here. Did that on both sides. I tied it back in to the, I believe that's about a 1/4-inch plate here that the fender attaches to. It's got U-bolts holding to the axle. I still got to come back. I could take my tire off and weld in here, and probably put me a brace in here, give it more to hold on to. I went all the way over with this instead of going across here, which would be in the way of the hood, and also wanted a little more rollover protection. Got one on the back, but I figured a little more ain't gonna hurt. Braces here come up, forward, and attach to this piece of metal here that's attached to the engine. Come up, and these cylinders here from Surplus Center, they're 2 1/4 bore, I believe, 20.5-inch stroke with an 1 3/8 rod. My tilt cylinders are 2x10s. I'd originally bought, and I have another one of these. I was originally going to use one of these for a tilt cylinder. That's why this cross member here comes up and over. I was going to attach it here, but things didn't work out. I didn't have enough room for that long of a cylinder between here and here. See, I made just this frame right here that will tilt and quick attach. It's just a piece of angle there. It goes up inside this pocket right here. And it's got 2 pins, so they're not in right now. They'll go in that hole there. Actually, it's not seated down all the way. There it goes. Now the hole lines up. Well, yeah. This is my shear. We'll get into that later when I get it finished. That'll be another video. Over here, got my lift up and down, my tilt. these 3 here are for my shear, or whatever else I decide I want to make to go on the front of it. Let's see. We'll go back and I'll show you where I tied in the hydraulics. Okay, this comes from Hoy tractor. It's just an adapter. Bolts onto the pumps, threaded 3/8 NPT. This pressure line goes over to the control valve over there. Then it comes back, and I tied it into right here. This is the line that goes to the 3-point lift. Originally, this line just come from here to the pump. I drilled all my pins. So I put a grease fitting in them so I can lubricate the pivot points. I did that on all of them. Let's see, anything else about the loader? That's pretty much it for the loader, I guess. Say off when I finish the shear. I've been testing it a little bit. Seems like it's going to work. I'm going to put some arms on it to hold the trees. Let me get back and it's kind of hard to tell. You can see, I don't know if you can see outside, but it's snowing here in Arkansas in March. Thought we was done with this mess, but I guess not. Anyway, it's been a good little tractor, and I wanted a loader on it. Couldn't find one, so I decided to build one myself. Okay, one thing I didn't mention, I've still got all my hoses. I've got to clamp them down, make sure they're not rubbing. It's going to take me a little while, but what I'm going to use is these 3, I believe it's 1/2 inch Emt straps. They fit the hose pretty good. And here's one down here where you can see it. It fits it pretty tight, and I'm just going to use probably self-tapping screws or drill and tap to hold these hoses out of the way. And I guess that'll be it for this one. Hope this helps somebody, and have any questions, feel free to send them my way. Thank you.